I think it depends a little bit on what the study is and what it's showing and how much affects our clinical practice. So I obviously love clinical research. I spend the majority of my time doing research, but it is actually quite rare when how often a paper is published that is so impactful that it changes everybody's practice immediately. And that is actually quite rare. So it can take a while to change people's mindsets. I mean, it took a long time to even convince people that eosinophilic esophagitis was real, right? And it's now still a hotly considered debate of like, we won't even talk about, I'm not going to talk about it right now because it's a whole nother hour or day-long talk about what is PPI responsive EOE. And so what is that and how does that, so I would say that there are certain types of papers that do, I think, immediately impact. And those are a lot of times position papers, like the kind of the initial position paper of what is EOE, how do we define it, and how do we treat it, that a lot of people who are involved with Tigers and APFED kind of put together, including Dr. Fruta. But it can take a while, and studies, for the most part, are conducted in academic centers. And so that is one, there's downsides, right? There's like residence fellows, there's like all these people, you're often being met by not just one doctor, but a lot of doctors and stuff. But the positive is that you can kind of really be at the forefront of this and be with people who are doing the research. So, but good doctors stay on top of it anyway.